Subject English, Standard 2nd. Hello students, I am Pinky Malla. Today we are going to learn about how to sit and behave in the class. Okay students, I am going to ask you some questions and you have to give me answers. Okay? So the first question is, do you like to play hide and seek? Okay. Then second question is, with whom do you like to play? Very good. Okay students, it means everyone likes to play hide and seek. So based on this, today we are going to study the story of Tanya hides. So open your English textbook, page number 1. Now students, you can see the story on page number 1. So I am going to read the story and you have to keep your finger on the lines and listen the story carefully. Okay? Tanya went to school in the morning. Tanya is not in class now. The teacher looks for Tanya. She looks outside, but Tanya is not there. She looks behind the door, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the table, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the desk, but Tanya is not there. She looks in the cupboard. Boo! Tanya says, I am here. The teacher is not happy with Tanya. She says, Tanya, that was bad. Okay students, I am going to read the story again. Now this time you have to repeat after me. Okay? So let us start. Tanya went to school in the morning. Students repeat after me. Tanya went to school in the morning. Yes. Tanya is not in the class now. The teacher looks for Tanya. She looks outside, but Tanya is not there. Very good students. She looks behind the door, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the table, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the desk, but the Tanya is not there. Very good students. She looks in the cupboard. Boo! Tanya says, I am here. The teacher is not happy with Tanya. She says, Tanya, that was bad. Very good students. Okay. Now students, it's your turn to read. Okay. So one by one, you have to read the story. Okay. And I will listen it carefully how you are reading the story. Okay students? Okay students, before I read and explain the story, we are going to talk what the story is about. Okay, so can you tell what the story is about? Yes, the story is about Tanya. Very good. So let us look at the title of the story. The story is called Tanya Hides. Okay, what do you know about hiding from someone? Yes, hiding from someone means when we don't want to look someone, so we are hiding ourselves. Yes? Yes, so Tanya is also doing the same. She went to school, but she doesn't want to attend the teacher's lecture. That is why she is not there in the class. When the teacher is teaching, Tanya is not there. So the teacher is searching to the Tanya. She searched everywhere to the Tanya, downside of the table, behind the door, outside of the class, everywhere she searched. But the Tanya was not there. At last, Tanya came out. But teacher doesn't like her behavior. Yes? So, it is good or bad? Bad, yes, really bad. Because why we are going to school? We are going to school every day to learn something, yes? We have to listen the teacher carefully when the teacher is teaching. We have to follow the teacher's instructions carefully. We have to write our notes from the board. We have to give answers nicely to the teachers. Yes? So, this was our story. Okay students, now we will learn some new words and their meanings. So the first word is door. Door means a piece of wood, glass, etc. that you open and close to get in or out of a room or a building. Okay, have you seen door? Yes? Okay, the next word is table. So the table means a piece of furniture with a flat top supported by legs. Okay, have you seen table? Yes? Very good. Now next word is desk. Repeat the desk spelling after me. D-E-S-K. Desk. Very good. Desk means, the desk meaning is similar to the table only. See, a type of table where you write or do some work. Okay. We also having desk in our class where you keep your things, your books. Yes? Okay. Now the next word is cupboard. So, cupboard means the furniture where we use for storing clothes or so many things. Okay. Have you seen cupboard? Yes. Everybody is having cupboard, no, at home? Yes. Okay. Now, hides. Hides means to put or keep somebody or something in a place where he or she cannot be seen, or to cover something so that it cannot be seen. Okay, so this is called as a hide. So these were the new words and their meanings. Okay. Okay students, now we are having some words. So we have to find opposites of that words. Okay. So the first word is outside. Outside's opposite word is inside. Okay. Now the next is behind. Behind's opposite word is in front. The next is in. In opposite word is out. Then we are having happy. Happy opposite is sad or unhappy. The next is under. Under's opposite is over. Okay, so these were the words which we have find opposites. Okay students, we have studied the story Tanya hides. So I am going to ask you some questions. You have to answer. Okay. So now close your books. Let us see what we can remember from what we read. Okay. So let's look at the first question. The first question is, who is hiding? Student, give answer. Who is hiding? Yes, very good. The Tanya is hiding. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. Now the next question is, where was Tanya hiding? Give answer. Yes. Very good. The Tanya was hiding herself in the cupboard. Inside the cupboard. Okay. Very good. Excellent. Okay students, let us listen the story again. When you will hear new words like door, table, desk, cupboard, you have to clap. Okay, in between when I will read the story, you will hear these new words, you have to clap. Okay, so I am going to start reading. Tanya went to school in the morning. Tanya is not in the class now. The teacher looks for Tanya. She looks outside, but Tanya is not there. She looks behind the door, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the table, but Tanya is not there. She looks under the desk, but Tanya is not there. She looks inside the cupboard. Boo! Tanya says, I am here. The teacher is not happy with Tanya. She says, Tanya, that was bad. Okay students, very good. Okay students, now we have finished our lesson. So now this is homework time. Okay, so for homework you have to open your homework book, page number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and you have to practice reading letters, sound, words and the stories given. Okay students, thank you.